Hi! In front of me is Honor 50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, select calendar by tapping on it. Now pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Following that, you can customize your event however you wish to. For example, add a title. Pick location over here. Select starting hour or ending one. You can also disable this feature by tapping on the switcher next to all day. Over here, take notes, set up notifications, minutes, hours, or weeks before, and even tap on repeat and select one of those options if you want your events to repeat, for example, every day. When you're ready, click on this check mark at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you need to click on it, tap on edit in the middle, and make your changes. I will, for example, delete location. Remember that you need to click on the check mark one more time at the top right corner over here, and if you wish to delete your event, you can also do that by clicking on it, but this time choosing this delete icon at the bottom right corner and selecting delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!